Basic sight words and sentences. Lad, lad, lad. Hat, hat, hat. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Lad, hat, yellow. The lad has a yellow hat. 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 The lad has a yellow hat.
Now it's your turn.
The lad has a yellow hat. Who has a yellow hat? The lad. The lad has a yellow hat.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.